Kyle,
you put your hands on me and you're going to jail.
I'm not putting
Then back out of my personal space right
I'm
now.
not putting my hands on you.
Get out of my personal space right now. I'm not going to ask you again. Kyle, get out of my face. I'm not going to ask you again.
You got to be dumber than a box of rocks, bro. You just made this situation 10 times worse. Your wife already came down here to save your ass, right? In life for you. And you pay her by getting mad at the officers because you don't like how they're talking to her. And she's taking a whole DUI for you, bro. She wasn't even driving the truck at the time. And she sat up here and lied to these officers for you just to make this situation 10 times worse. Oh, what do we have here? Today we have husband snaps after police arrest his wife. Ooh. Thank you guys for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get it.
Officers from the Jersey County Sheriff's Office in Illinois respond to a routine traffic
Y'all see that tire?
report. What the officers don't know is they're about to be subject to a hoax, sparking a larger investigation that turns this into anything but routine.
There is a gunman in this vehicle.
Okay.
Can I get it for you?
I'll hop out. I'll get it.
Okay. It's in the middle console.
Middle console? Okay.
Yep, and there is a little
Why is he sitting outside the car, though?
shell in there too.
Okay. Are you okay?
I am fine.
Were you with her?
Yes, he was in the passenger seat.
Okay.
We were arguing and I ran into the bridge. It's my bad.
You said you were what?
I was
Wow.
drunk.
Okay.
I ran into the bridge. We were arguing. It's my bad.
I could never let my wife get in trouble for me. If anything, I would be doing this for her. But me as a man, I could never allow no shit like this to happen.
Okay. Okay. How much you had to drink?
Probably 2 beers and 3 shots.
Okay.
It's
Come
my
on
bad.
back here. You said you had 2 beers, 3 shots? So you want to take a couple tests?
I don't really. I'd rather just have a blood test. That's okay.
Okay. Do you want to take a PBT here? A preliminary breath test? It's up to you. I'm just going to ask you, the tests will just determine whether, you're good.
I don't want to lose my license. I know I fucked up.
Not all right. He's got a job to do, Kyle. We all have jobs to do, brother.
He know your name. Y'all gotta be buddies.
I don't know. I've never done this before.
Okay. Well, it's up to you.
Come on. Kyle, stop.
We got jobs to do, Kyle. It's part of it.
Hey.
All right?
Bro, this might be the only time that a DUI suspect is acting officially sober, bro. Like, this is crazy.
It's destroyed.
Because of me. It's fine.
You guys think that you were worried about your job?
Kyle, we have a job to do. You wrecked. She admits that she's been drinking. She says she's drunk.
You need medical attention for your knee.
I can't lie. The wife is acting more sober than him. She's acting way more. I don't even believe she's had not one beer because how are you acting so alert and so conscious of your surroundings and your husband is acting like a complete fool? Like if I was the cops, I would have been like, ma'am, are you really drunk? Come on now.
Can I just go for a blood test?
That's up to you. You don't want to take a preliminary breath test or you want to do any of the tests?
Well, I am very uncoordinated, so there's no way that I
What
will
about
ever
eye test? Can you
Eye test?
Yeah, you just follow through. It's
Can
fine.
I take my shoes off?
You're just going to stand there. Yeah.
I am very uncoordinated.
Do you want to go to jail for obstructing?
Absolutely. No, stop,
Because
Kyle.
that's about where you're going to.
Kyle, stop.
Look at this idiot.
Kyle!
Hey, look, this guy don't even got a seatbelt coming on. Watch.
Move on down the road, please. Move on down the road for me, okay?
Justice.
Kyle.
With the dog.
You're gonna go to jail.
Kyle,
Justice
Okay.
for my wife?
So what we're
Kyle,
gonna do is you're either
honey,
gonna have to
please
calm down or I'm gonna
stop.
put you in the back of a car, okay?
Well, but there's 2 things.
God.
Okay.
Kyle, stop.
Tell him one.
He's got to be a piece of shit.
Well, he's not going to tell me I'm in charge.
I don't care what you are, brother.
Kyle!
I love you.
I understand that, Kyle.
Stop
We got jobs to do, Kyle.
Kyle is a big guy too. Yeah.
disrespecting my wife.
I'm not disrespecting. I'm treating her very nicely.
Stop.
Sarge, come back here for a minute.
Give me just a second.
This gentleman, one of these gentlemen said he was driving. He was behind the wheel whenever he got here. But I don't know if he pulled it off the bridge.
Okay.
That's what Sally's getting information.
She's sitting in the driver's seat. She's willing to take a hit for
Okay.
it, so.
I'm just letting you know.
Okay.
This new information about who was actually driving will eventually lead this case to completely turn on its head. For now, though, the officer continues with the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, which checks for
I'm pretty sure his wife wanted to go to jail though, just to get away from his ass. Because if this is how he's acting, sheesh.
eye movement.
It's just you're gonna stand there with your hands at your side, feet together, and just follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't move your head. Just just your eyes.
Girl, your ass ain't drunk.
Okay.
Damn it. Stop with my wife.
Have you smoked any marijuana?
Oh, God.
Okay.
He's being very respectful, Kyle.
Yes, sir, he is.
Okay? He has a job to do. He's got to conduct some tests. That's what he's doing.
You don't want to take any of the other tests? The walk and turn or the one leg stand?
I am not coordinated enough for that.
And then what about a preliminary breath test? It's not admissible in court. It just kind of helps you better judge where you're at.
Ma'am, you do not deserve this from your husband. You do not deserve to be taking no charges for your husband because he does not know how to handle his liquor. You don't deserve it, baby.
Very well anyway.
So here's what's going to happen. You're going to be placed under arrest for DUI right now. Okay? You're being cooperative, and I'm not even going to cuff you. I'm just going to have a seat in the back seat of the car, and then we're going to go from there, okay?
Okay.
Let's go back here.
Is there any way I could have a little puff of cigarette before I can?
Yeah, if you want to smoke a cigarette, yeah. You don't have anything on you, do you? Nothing in your
No.
pockets? Okay.
No. You want to? Here.
Let's make sure you have no weapons or nothing.
God, no.
Damn it, dude.
Kyle, stop.
What do you want me to do?
Are you serious? Do you have any idea how many times that I have stood up for both of you? Both of you.
Oh, God, bro.
Stop your
Look, she protected him, and you could tell this is a good wife. She's sitting here protecting his stupid ass.
walk up and get a
And they in Illinois.
I love you. Come on, man. Why? Why?
Because she's admitting she's been drinking. She said that she's intoxicated.
We've all been drinking.
Hey,
Man, we've all been drinking,
but
brother.
I fucked up.
We've all been drinking.
But the truck's
Kyle.
wrecked.
Kyle,
Sure.
I fucked up. Hey,
Do you think we
why
did
don't
it on purpose?
No, I know you didn't.
I fucked up? It's fine.
Stop.
No, do
Huh.
not
Do me a
offend the
favor.
officer.
She was not in the vehicle, and then he got out, walked into the woods, went to the bathroom, came back, his pants were all undone, and she come out of nowhere.
What do you want me to do? Everything's on body camera. It's not like you can hide anything.
That part.
You gonna arrest my wife?
Yeah,
Take
I
care.
am. Go
Seriously?
back here. I'm going to get your purse.
Seriously?
Yes, I'm going to arrest your wife.
Are you f***ing kidding me, Jones?
Hey,
Are you f***ing kidding me, Jones?
Kyle,
Are you f***ing kidding me?
stop.
See, some people you just can't save. It be the people right next to you. It ain't no way my wife would have been able to come over here and tell me some shit like this, and I'm just sitting there going, well, I'd be like, man, baby, sit your head down. Look, officer, this is what happened. Whoop-de-whoop, I'm fucked up. I don't know what she talking about. You supposed to be the protector and the provider. That is some coward right there. To sit there and let your wife take the fall for something that she ain't even do.
Pull him down and take him home. No.
You're just
Decker,
gonna,
this is not cool.
Well, this is how it's going to go.
No, this is how it's going to go.
This is how it's going.
No,
Okay.
this is not how it's going to
Listen
go.
to me.
Yeah, he
Right
finna
now,
go to
this is a
jail.
bad situation, but you're going to wake up tomorrow and you're going to realize it's not as bad as it can be. Nobody's hurt. Your truck's tore up and she's getting arrested for DUI. That's the way it's going to go.
Really?
You'll realize it wasn't that
Do
bad.
you remember whenever you used to trace me as a child? As a f***ing child.
Kyle,
You put your hands on me and you're going
No,
to jail.
I'm not putting
Then
them
Why you right in this man's face?
back out of my personal
It ain't no alcohol in the world, whether you a friend or not. If you a cop, I'm not finna fuck with you like that.
space right now.
I'm not finna be in your personal space. That's just one-on-one human interaction, baby. We still men at the end of the day. You feel me?
Put my hands on you.
Get out of my personal space right now. I'm not going to ask you
Get
again.
back.
Justin,
Get out of
what
my
I
face.
said,
Kyle,
Get
back
out
up.
of my face.
Hey, you used to do that.
Kyle,
was
get out of
wrong.
my face. I'm not going to ask you again.
Or what?
You're
Or
going
what?
to jail. I mean, you're not going to intimidate me and
Kyle,
assault
stop
me.
doing it. Stop.
Oh. And now he resisting. Well, if you wasn't going to jail before, you going to jail now. You sat there, got into a cop's face, you got aggressive. They're trying to take you down and you wrestling with them. Oh, your ass going to jail. It's simple as that. And then You possibly got your wife involved in this, and she finna catch a charge. And it's not even for the charge that she acted like she did. She finna catch another charge. Like, bro, you supposed to be protecting your family. Like, I can't get over this, bro. Like, bro has lost the scope of what was supposed to be transpiring. Damn.
Why? Quit resisting.
Stop! This is so stupid. Stop!
What did I do?
You're not going to get in my face.
Kyle.
What did I do?
Told you twice, 3 times to get out of my face.
I did not do any of that.
You're not going to get in my face.
What did I do?
What did I ask you to do, Kyle?
Justin.
What did I ask you to do, sir? To get out of my face.
Justin,
Give us your arm.
Kyle, give me your arm.
The other arm.
Justin.
I thought that was his wife talking about give me your arm.
Dude.
Taser deployed 2 times. The other subject in custody.
I got probe on me, I think.
I got tased.
He got hit by the
I
tase?
think. I
Sheesh.
don't know. Well, Kyle, I absolutely gave you every opportunity to get out of my face.
You didn't mean to be in your face.
Well, you were, and I asked you 3 times. Get off me.
I told you, walk away. Decker told you, walk away. Sally told you, walk away.
Didn't have to go like this.
Justin,
At all.
you tried to assault me when I was a child.
We're past.
Yeah, he drunk. He drunk as hell. What did he try on you as a child, bro? This is how you know he is drunk. You can always tell when somebody is drunk when they keep reciting the same thing over and over again like it's going to help their cause. Sir, you were caught drunk driving. Why would you make this situation any worse than what it already is? They have witnesses that said your wife wasn't driving, bro. You were driving. And you just had to make this more f***ed up than what it already was.
We're not doing that.
Child.
Okay.
You assaulted me as a child.
Okay, let's go.
After thorough investigation and speaking to multiple witnesses, officers have enough evidence to believe that Kyle was actually the one driving the vehicle, and his wife took the fall for him. 2 days after the incident, officers now attempt to get both Kyle and his wife to admit that's what happened.
You know why you're here and why I'm starting this?
I know why I'm here. Yes, I'm not.
So the law says if I want to talk to you and ask you questions, which I do right now, and you're in custody, I have to advise you of your rights, make sure you understand what those rights are and talk to you. And I'm always a straight shooter. I'm going to straight shoot you. You were the one driving the other night.
He was.
Don't say anything till because I want to be able to talk to you about it, okay? And I'm going to ask you to be straight and honest with me about it. Reason I know that is I now have 3 signed statements of people that saw you, and I'm about to go talk to your wife, and she's going to tell me the truth because I know she won't lie to me, nor do I expect you to lie to me either. You're getting out of here. I'm going to let you post bond, but we're going to finish up the investigation. At this stage, I can't get blood from you to know that you were intoxicated, okay? But what the worst part of it is what you guys did is committed an obstruction, which is yet another damn charge. Okay. Now I expect
Sitting there lying to the police, and then you had your wife lying to the police, bro. Like, you ain't no real
when I
man.
talked to Courtney that
No real man
she's
allowing
gonna
no
take
shit like
the blame
that.
for this somehow. I expect you guys got worried and got scared about what would happen to you if you got another DUI. But bro, 2 wrongs don't make a right. They don't. And it's not how you guys are made. You're not people that are going to lie to the police. You're not a person who's going to resist the police. You and
No.
me and you are talking straight man to man here, and I haven't Mirandized you yet, which means I can't ask you questions, and I'm not going to unless you really want to talk to me. You've got to pull your head out of your ass.
You do.
You've got to slow your drinking, and you've got to get your head together, and so does she. Because this is not the people you are.
It's already done. I promise you that.
Okay. Well, I'm going to be pulling for you, and we'll do what we can to help you with that, because you're good, decent members of the community. And you got a business and your respect for that and all that kind of stuff. What I'd like to do is talk to you and ask you to be straight about what actually happened. In order to do that, I have to go through this Miranda form, if you're willing to talk to me. If you're not, that's fine too.
If possible, like my wife and I to have an attorney present, if that's
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay.
With no luck of getting Kyle to admit, the officer now speaks to his wife, Courtney.
You know why I'm back here?
What?
To get you to tell me the truth. I'm going to give you one chance. I got a witness in the front lobby, and I've got another one making a statement. I know that you're wanting to protect your husband and his job and his CDL and all the other things go with it, but you've taken a DUI, is not the way to do that. If you let the hole get deeper and deeper, it's going to get deeper and deeper. And you weren't even there.
Facts.
Why in God's name would you take a DUI?
Because she was trying to protect them and protect their money. She was doing what any good wife would have done.
That's crazy. What are you doing? The potential charge, I'll have to look at it. It's an obstruction charge for filing a false police report. He's already got 2 felonies, so I'm not going to allow you to take a DUI conviction.
He got 2 felonies? Damn.
You weren't freaking driving. Although I expect you drove down there to save his ass in your Jeep, am I right?
That's my view.
Did somebody bring you or did you drive?
I did not drive.
Okay, that's good. Then we don't even have to worry about that either. You guys just panic? Is that what happened?
Yeah, I panicked.
Yeah, and we won't put any charges today. We'll investigate and see where it goes from there. You need to quit taking lumps for him. Did he ask you to get in the truck or did you? Okay. You got in the driver's side?
Yeah.
Always trying to protect him, aren't you?
If there wasn't no witnesses, she might have been able to pull this off. But Mr. Dumbass decided he wanted to get rowdy with the cops when all he had to do was shut the fuck up. You get what I'm saying? But instead, he decided he wants to go and just be king of the rah-rah and got his ass arrested. And for good reason. Like, there wasn't no reason for this, sir. But then again, like I told y'all, I'm not letting my wife go down for you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not letting nobody I love around me in my circle go down for anything that I got going on. If something is going on with me and we get caught for something, officer, all of this is mine, bro. Like, this is mine. Like, I'm gonna just take my lick, bro, and call it a day because I don't believe in getting in trouble. I don't believe in letting other people get in trouble for me. I don't give a fuck if I done went to jail 100 times and I'm facing 30 years. You feel me? Like, if I go down for something, I just go down and I get caught with it. That is not, no real man is going to let you go down for his actions. Only a coward would let you go down for their actions. Only a coward. Me personally, like I said, anything that I got going on that I know I did, I'm gonna go ahead and claim my lick. But at the same time, I'm 34 now. You get what I'm saying? We get caught with something, I'm not gonna tell the officers. I'm gonna give you a chance to say, hey, this is my shit. But if you don't say it, oh, best believe I'm gonna say it. Cause who the fuck you think I am? I'm not going to jail for nobody else's shit. And I'm not allowing nobody else to go to jail for my stuff. That's how I roll. That's how I operate. That's why I've never believed in the whole street mentality of not telling and whoop-de-whoop and meth, all that. Only way I'm going down for something is if I did it. And I wouldn't mess with nobody that I wouldn't be dealing with nobody that would let me go down for something that I ain't do. Cause you don't love me and you're not my real friend. And that's just that on that.
It's better to get it out in the open, be straight about it now. I appreciate you being honest with me when I pressed you.
Courtney later told officers the whole story from start to finish. She stated her and Kyle were both at a bar, drinking alcohol. They left with Kyle driving and Courtney as the passenger. Due to Kyle swerving while driving, Courtney told him to let him drive. He, quote, wasn't having it, so Courtney insisted on getting out of the vehicle and started walking. Kyle drove away while Courtney's mother came to pick her up. However, her mother informed her of Kyle's crash, which resulted in Courtney being dropped off at the scene by her mother and pushing Kyle to the side while she got in the driver's seat. Officers then arrived, and she took the blame as seen in the body cam footage. Courtney was ultimately charged with driving under the influence, failure to reduce speed, and improper lane usage, and Kyle was charged with obstructing a peace officer, aggravated assault, and resisting a peace officer resulting in injury. However, these are the original charges. The husband was likely reassigned the DUI charge as well as the traffic infractions, and both were likely given an obstruction charge. They are innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Why does love make people do stupid?
Yeah, I don't want nobody to ever love me this much, baby, because I'm not doing no. I'm not going to jail for you. Fuck that. Hell no. I love you, but you gotta make better decisions, and that's just how that goes with that. Because it's no way on God's green earth that I would allow somebody that I love to be no. Get out of here, bro. But thank you guys for tuning in. We got more videos like this on the way. Check out my new page, Dusliv Clips. I'll have 2 to 5 videos being uploaded on that page every day, as well as this one. Click the videos right here. Find the video that you like, click on it, watch it some more, and just go throughout this channel. I got so many videos, so much more of this stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. The pinned comment below is going to be the next video that's premiering, that's already premiered if you missed it. But thank you guys for tuning in. And without further ado, I said that so wrong.